Hi Ben,
Hi Anna, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks, and you?
I'm fine. I come here every morning.
Really? You drink coffee every day?
Yes, I love coffee.
I drink tea. I don't like coffee.
My sister drinks tea too.
What time do you usually come here?
I come at 8 am before work.
Oh, do you work near here?
Yes, I work at the Bank of Main Street.
That's great. I work from home.
Nice. Do you like working from home?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and comfortable.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my parents.
Do they work too?
Yes, my mom teaches at school.
And your dad?
He works in an office. He sells computer.
Cool. My brother sells phone.
That's interesting. Do you have lunch here too?
No, I usually eat lunch at the office.
I cook lunch at home.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
I don't cook, I order food.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah, okay, I go to work now.
Alright, have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye.